In this session, we're going to combine like terms with variables and fractional coefficients. Let's take a look at our helpful hint. First, identify the like terms. Then find the LCD for the coefficients of the x terms, and find the LCD for the coefficients of the y terms. Now let's try a problem. We have 1/3 x plus 5/8 y minus 1/5 x plus 1/2 y. The first thing you should do, like our hint suggested, is identify your like terms. Now remember, a like term has the same variable part with the same exponent. So when we start our problem, we see we have an x here. So as we look through the problem, we find another term with the x. These two terms are like terms. Now, let's look for our second set of not like terms. This term has a y. And here's the other one for a y. We've clearly marked our like terms, and these are the terms we have to add together. We have to add these two terms together and these two terms. So let's rewrite it that way. We have 1/3 x minus 1/5 x plus 5/8 y plus 1/2 y. At this point, whenever I rewrite a problem, I like to go back and check to make sure I didn't forget a term or I didn't copy it down wrong. So I check 1/3 x right here. Okay, I'm going to cross that off because I'm done with that. Now, 5/8 plus 5/8 y plus 5/8. Oh, look, I forgot to put the y there. There we go. So now I can cross this off. Now let's look here. Minus 1/5 x. I have it right here, and I wrote it correctly, plus 1/2 y. Take the extra time to double check when you have to recopy a problem. It will help you with accuracy. Now that we've organized our terms in the correct order, I'm going to subtract these two and add these two. But first I have to find my common denominators. Let's work at two at a time. First I'm going to take care of my x terms, then I will do my y terms. Here we can easily see that the common denominator is 15. To rewrite 1/3 x with a denominator of 15, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 5. So we end up with 5/15x. Now 1/5 x, we have to multiply the denominator by 3 and the numerator by 3. So we have minus 3/15 x. 5/15 subtract 3/15 is 2/15x. When you're combining like terms, you subtract the coefficients and then you write the variable next to it. So we're done with this subtraction. Now we have this problem. We have positive 5/8 y plus 1/2 y. The common denominator here is 8, but we already have an 8 in our first one, 5/8 y. So we really just have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4, and we get 4/8 y. Now we're going to add the coefficients. 5/8 plus 4/8 is a positive 9/8 y. Highly recommend you identify your like terms, you double check your work, and then I'm sure you'll do a great job. Try a few problems.